Franck Herman Noublé est un jeune attaquant ivoirien qui fait parler de lui en ce moment et en bien du côté de la Ligue 2 anglaise. Né le 24 septembre 1991 à Lewisham en Angleterre, le buteur évolue actuellement à Colchester United où il s'impose comme l'atout offensif majeur. Et à 26 ans, l'Ivoirien a des ambitions qu'il ne cache plus.
My current dream now is to play for Ivory Coast. In football, this is something that most players, they want to do, play for the international country. But this is definitely something I dream about doing right now. It's just something I'd be very proud of. It's hard to explain, but this is something that will make me very happy and my family. They've always done well and represented the country well. But for myself, I want to bring excitement back to Ivory Coast. They have current players that are already doing that, but I want to add to that if I get the opportunity. And just making young children proud that you can be born in London or born in Ivory Coast, but if you're Ivorian, you're Ivorian, and I want to be proud that's a shirt that I want to wear one day.
Il y a quelques années, l'encadrement technique des éléphants de Côte d'Ivoire s'était déjà intéressé aux jeunes Noublé, mais problème de communication.
I've been lucky to have been approached twice from England and Ivory Coast. England was the younger age groups. I got called up for the under-19s, under-17 tournament, which went well for me. But at the same time, I got called for Ivory Coast. But I was already away with the England team at this time, the first time I got called. So it was very difficult to accept that, that happened. But the second time, I think it was lack of communication between my football club and the federation possibly. But it's not something I regret because I never refused to play. This is something that I would dream to play for Ivory Coast. But you never know in this life, everything happens for a reason. I believe in that. God has his plan, so hopefully my plan is coming very soon.
Aujourd'hui et plus que jamais au mieux de sa forme, Franck Noublé ne rêve que du très haut niveau, surtout avec la nette ambition de prendre part au projet sportif impressionnant du nouvel encadrement technique des éléphants de Côte d'Ivoire mené par Kamara Ibrahim et son adjoint, un certain Kolo Touré dont la légende ne lui échappe point.
Well, I know Kamara Ibrahim's style of playing is free-flowing football. He wants to bring in a lot of new players now. I think it's time for a bit of change in the squad. And he's done that already with the likes of Zaha and other young players that have come and doing well at the moment. And I think this is a positive thing for everybody watching Ivory Coast. We've had a lot of good players, a lot of top players, but now they want to see a new star, a new top player or new youngsters. So I think this is something the coach is bringing with his assistant coaches. And this is something I think the country should be proud of. I want to be part of the project, first for one, and two, whatever project they have in plan, this is something that every player that wants to fight for Ivory Coast needs to be ready to take on. And Kolo Touré obviously had a really, really good career. Very, very respected, everybody respects him. So I'm sure the players are listening to him very well. And it's just exciting to have a coach like that.
Do you know the Ivorian team?
Yeah, I played against Max Gradel when I was younger, when he was playing in England. He's playing in France now with Toulouse. But my best friend is playing in Toulouse, so I see regular videos of Max and him talking and playing PlayStation maybe. Funny enough, I played against Serge Aurier last year in the FA Cup. He obviously is the captain now of the Ivory Coast national team. And he's a top player. He's a player that I think a lot of young players look up to. But this is a player I played against last year and I really enjoyed my game against him.
What did he tell you?
He recognized that I was Ivorian. At first he said, "You're Ivorian, well played." And we changed the shirt after the game, which is really positive for me because he's playing a big club at Tottenham. And that day I showed my abilities that day, and I feel like he obviously will remember my name straight away.
And you also know Gervinho, who you met in China.
Yes.
How was it?
Yeah. That was really strange because nobody expected me to go to China. in the first place. I don't think anyone expected Gervinho to go to China. So now we're in China and we meet in Beijing. He played for a team in Beijing. I played for a team called Tianjin, same city. So I was very lucky to meet him. I met him maybe once or twice. We spoke briefly. He gave me some advice, you know, how I should be, you know, encouraging myself to, you know, to be more about myself on the football field. And this is a top player that you want to take advice from. But again, he's Ivorian. It's another top player that we had in our history.
Et le meilleur moment où talent et fibre patriotique l'emportent par-dessus tout.
Ivory Coast is my nation. I want to make myself proud and my family proud. You know, this is something I've dreamed of from when I was watching Drogba scoring big goals for the country. So, you know, I play in the same position. This is something I really want to achieve. You know, this is the right time to get an opportunity. If I'm lucky to get an opportunity, but I need to keep working hard and deserve that chance. But this is definitely something I would want in the near future. This is something that is more than just football. It's all about, you know, how I feel about the country and how I feel about my family and my community, being proud of something like this happening.
Après avoir été formé à Chelsea, Franck va suivre une carrière professionnelle qui le conduit dans plusieurs clubs anglais dont West Ham, Swansea, West Bromwich, Barnsley, puis un tour en Chine et le revoilà dans la Ligue 2 anglaise cette saison.
It's not the best clearance in the world from Gill. Straight to Phyllis Kirk. And now no ball. Oh, what a goal! He cannot stop scoring.
Franck Noublé reste déterminé et se tient prêt à contribuer à la conquête d'une 3e étoile pour la Côte d'Ivoire.
You know, having 2 stars is already a special thing, but a big country like Ivory Coast should have more. So if I can be part of that to bring another star, then of course I'll be very happy and very proud.
You're performing well now in Colchester United?
Yes, I'm enjoying Colchester United a lot. Playing every match, so this is perfect opportunity for coaches and staff to come and see me play while they come to see the other Ivorian players in England. But I'm enjoying my football, but I have to keep working hard, I know this, and I'm sure my dream will come true, God willing.
What do you imagine yourself like in 5 years, in 2-3 years, or shortly maybe? Would you mind being the African Footballer of the Year or something like that?
Yeah, and you know, this is something you have to dream about. If you don't dream about these things, you never know if it can happen. So I have to keep working hard. But I'm sure not many players heard of Mo Salah 4 years ago or Sadio Mane that many years ago. Now they're fighting to be African Player of the Year. Why can't that not be me or Wilfred Zaha or something like this, or Max Grade or anyone? So this is a dream for me to be playing in the national team by then and be fighting to win another trophy for Ivory Coast.